Your organization's data is pure gold, so why leave the digital vault door wide open? In this course, we are ditching the confusing tech jargon and giving you a highly visual, easy-to-follow map to unbreakable data protection. From locking your information at rest to guarding your network's front door against digital eavesdroppers, you need the complete picture to stay safe. Make sure to watch this entire course to the very end to unlock our ultimate step-by-step security architecture and keep the hackers out for good. Let's dive in. Think of your organization's data as its most valuable asset, pure gold. To keep it safe, we can't just build a single digital fortress. We need to protect it in two very distinct states. First is data at rest, just like gold sitting securely inside a bank vault. Second is data in transit, which is like that same gold moving in an armored truck. Using the right database toolbox, we can successfully lock the vault and secure the truck. Protecting data at rest requires locking your digital vault. Non-Techie Guide introduces TDE, an automatic and invisible shield. TDE scrambles data on write and unscrambles on read, so it is seamless for authorized users while blocking disk-scavenging thieves. It uses one fast, symmetric key to ensure high-performance access. In the Azure cloud, this is the default. Microsoft handles the keys automatically. But for strict regulations, you can bring your own key using Azure Key Vault for military-grade protection. While encrypting an entire database is essential, sometimes you only need to protect specific pieces of information. You could use column-level encryption to lock down sensitive items like social security numbers, but beware, it makes searching your database incredibly slow and inefficient. You might also encounter encrypted stored procedures designed to hide proprietary code. However, this is merely obfuscation, not true security. It causes massive headaches for troubleshooting and is a practice best abandoned today. Even with perfect encryption, you still need to guard your database's front door. Think of an Azure firewall as a strict bouncer at an exclusive club, checking the IP address of every single visitor. Because Azure is secure by default, the bouncer's guest list starts completely empty. You can set server-level rules to allow access to all your databases at once, or use database-level rules for tight granular control over just one. If you aren't on the list, your connection is instantly denied. To defend your most sensitive information from everyone, even your own database administrators, always encrypt it ensures that only your application holds the keys. Need to search that scrambled information? Secure enclaves act as a hidden hardware black box to process those searches safely without exposing the data. Finally, transport layer security acts as an armored truck, locking down your information while it is in transit. Combine these tools together for complete, unbreakable security. We discovered that our data was our most valuable asset and required protection in two distinct states. We locked the digital vault for data at rest using transparent data encryption and secured our custom keys with Azure Key Vault. We then guarded the network's front door by configuring strict server and database firewalls to keep uninvited guests out. Finally, we deployed always encrypted and transport layer security, which successfully shielded our data in transit and built a complete unbreakable security architecture.